Florida, April 5th. Lianshiling Arjesu. An off-duty lieutenant. A vehicle weaving for nearly a mile. He wasn't on the clock. He stopped it anyway.
Police respond to a busy intersection to assist an off-duty lieutenant who felt compelled to stop a vehicle after watching it swerve across lanes and nearly cause a collision.
Are you kidding me? Why is it always you?
It's always me. You trying to go home or something?
Fine.
I see you found your phone.
Yeah. Hey, hon, can you roll down your window just a little bit further for me, please?
I don't think you can. I think we're keys.
Oh, okay. Hi, it's me. Out of my car. I'm just checking on you. I can't hear from that side. Why are you in my car? Because I need to check on you, hon. You okay? Yeah. Okay. They need to ask them questions. They can ask me a question, but get in my car. I'm not in your car. I'm standing right here in the roadway. Just. Okay, go ahead.
Do you have any medical complaints right now?
No.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
How much have you had to drink tonight? You what? You gotta go? Well, we're not gonna go right now. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have you step out here, okay? Go ahead and step out here for me. I'm not asking you. Step out of the car. Huh? You gotta pee? Alright, well step out. I'm gonna do a DUI investigation, so you're gonna get out of the car, okay? It's already in park. Tammy. Huh?
I'm watching.
Okay, go ahead and step out here for me.
I want to.
I'm not asking you. Go ahead and step out of the car. Tammy, step.
Don't.
Tammy, step out of the car.
Come on, honey.
Just listen to him.
Come on.
Don't be difficult.
No, don't touch me.
Okay.
Yeah, I fucked up.
Huh? You're fucked up?
No, I didn't say that. I said, don't touch me.
Okay. So I'm going to ask that you field sobriety exercises. Are you willing to do those?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and walk back here a little bit.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
I want you to walk back here in front of my car.
That car?
Yep, that police car right there. Can you walk it back there in front of that one?
You know that thing called, what's it called? That Sentinel thing stuff?
You have what?
The thing is like, what's that called? My daughter got it. What's that called?
I tell you what, while you think about that, can I look at your eyes real quick?
Yeah, but it's like that thing is like, when you walk, high thing. It's like, what's that called?
I have no idea.
That thing when you up high and you,
I don't know. Well, think about it for a minute. Do me a favor.
Ew.
Can you put your glasses on your head for me?
No.
Why not?
Why should you not?
Huh? I want to look at your eyes real quick. Can you step over maybe and see if you can block her? He's just trying to block the sun for you. There you go. Can you see this red?
Who are you?
I'm Lieutenant Bloom. I'm the one that stopped out with you right away.
Is that the Eclipse thing?
I don't know where you just said.
Can you see this red light here?
Listen to Deputy Young.
Follow this with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Keep your head still, just with your eyes, okay? Are you gonna follow it for me?
Yeah.
All right, try to follow it. So you're not going to do the exercises?
What exercise?
All right, let's go ahead and walk back here. I tell you, I'm doing a DUI investigation. How much have you had to drink tonight?
A bunch of drinks.
There's two drinks?
Yeah, but...
All right. She's going to pull forward, and I'm going to have you have a seat on her car.
I don't want to sit in a car.
All right, well then I need you to come stand back here.
I don't want to sit back
And
there.
it's not an option
Why?
because I'm doing a DUI investigation. And I want you to do field. So if you don't want to do fields, I can make a decision based on the evidence I've already witnessed to this point.
Come here.
Okay? So come sit right there.
Answer. You got it. All right.
You think it's sweet on it. They're sweet. I'm just tired and I want to go home.
So what all that says is if you refuse to do the breath test, your driver's license is going to be suspended for 1 year. So are you willing to do the breath test? Huh?
That's good.
I just need yes or no. Are you willing to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, Deputy Henley's going to sit here and watch you for a minute. I'm going to go talk to these people and get them out of here.
In Florida, DUI is Section 306. Ibai Joshisen. You do not need a number from a breathalyzer. Impaired normal faculties the way you walk, talk, and drive is legally sufficient. The officer had watched her since Pine Road. The case was already building before she said a word. She said she doesn't drink. 30 seconds later, about 2 drinks. She agreed to the field sobriety exercises. Then she didn't do them. She agreed to the breath test. Then she said no. Florida Section 316. 1932. Implied Consent. Every driver in Florida has already agreed to a chemical test by virtue of holding a license. The officer told her clearly, refusal means a 1-year suspension. She heard it. She said no anyway.
All right, y'all, family?
Yeah, it's my sister with no shit.
Okay. She's going to jail for DUI.
Figure that.
She is lucky she didn't kill someone because she is fucking destroyed. I mean,
What's that?
she can't even walk.
What's the level?
I don't know. I just asked her to do a breath test. She says she's willing to. We'll do it here in a few minutes.
Oh, you don't know yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Hello.
What?
She's going to jail for DUI.
Lucky she didn't hurt nobody.
Yeah,
Or
or
herself.
herself.
Well, because she's got 2 young kids. She's got 4 kids and 2 of them are not even
Well,
2 yet.
I told them the gentleman in the Jeep up there, he's Lieutenant Bloom. He's like our public information lieutenant. He's been behind her since about Pine Road, and he said she's been back and forth. Everyone's having to stop because she's going back and forth.
Right.
They came up here and she was in the right turn lane and they cut all the way over, cut everyone off
Did
to get in
she
the left
hit
turn
anybody?
lane. No, thankfully not.
Yeah.
So she got over here, he stopped, he's in his personal vehicle, he stopped, he's like, hey, are you okay? What's going on? And she's like, are you diabetic or something? And she said she was sick, so they called medics out to check her, but she gave medics a hard time and refused
Yeah.
everything.
Because she's not allowed to drink.
She had.
And there's a reason why she's not allowed to drink, is because she gets like that. She probably only had 1 drink, and that's how she gets.
She said she's had 2, is what she told
Yeah,
me.
well, she doesn't drink that often,
So
and it hits her
like
fast.
I said, is she on any medications?
They said she had something.
She said so, she's been trying to say stuff, but I can't.
I don't
think she had it
veins
for her
done. I don't know about
Okay.
her shoulder. She's had a lot of things done. She's not being honest with me.
Because if she's on medications with alcohol, like pain pills, certain CNS depressants,
Yeah.
if you
I know she
Okay.
does have depression, but I don't think
She don't take it no more.
Yeah, I don't
okay,
think
I was about to say some medications. If you take the medication and drink one
Yeah.
drink, it's like 10x is the
Yeah,
effects
because
of
it
it. So.
dilutes it.
But yeah, she's so bad. Like I said, she
Oh,
can't,
yeah.
she can't walk,
I
she
know.
can't talk, she can't.
just-
Several
One
years
drink.
ago, she was on the floor, passed out, and she was almost dead.
That's how we found you.
If it wasn't for me, she would have been dead.
She took her to the hospital.
Yeah.
She passed out. No one knew she
And that's when they said that she can't have no more, or she's
She's
gonna kill
almost dying.
herself.
She just the life.
And
Is it
it's
something in her
bad.
body that like just
Yeah.
rejects it?
I think it was after that stroke she had when she was in her 30s. After that,
They really didn't say what it was, but it had to
Yeah.
be something that, yeah.
They just said that's
She
what
can
they
have 1
said.
drink and she's intoxicated. It don't have to be strong either.
Are we allowed to say anything to her?
I mean, I'll let you talk to her if you want. If you want to come talk to her, I'll let you talk to her real quick, and I'll let you know when to talk.
But
I think you got a friend here.
Well, hello, Mom.
do you know
Why?
what?
Why are you doing this?
That's what I told her.
Are you done with your life?
Didn't hit anything.
Well,
You got your grandbabies. You got everything to live for, Mom.
I know I do.
Then why are you drinking? Not anymore. Mom, you know you could have killed somebody or yourself. This is serious. Mom, you need help. This is I will wake you, Mom. You're gonna get help. I'm not ready to lose you, Mom. You understand me? I'm not ready to lose you. You got having an accident.
He's all upset.
There's so many people that care about you, Mom. This is so disappointing, Mom.
Why did you leave when you came over there? You beat me for dinner and you just took off.
She got pissed. That's what happened. Something pissed her off and she left. When she gets like this, she doesn't want to talk to nobody.
I didn't even know you were. If you were told me you could have changed your mind, you didn't want to go.
She's not gonna.
But when you were drinking, I wouldn't even have invited you over.
Are they gonna give her water or something at least?
Oh yeah, there's water. They'll give her. She'll see a nurse as soon as she goes there. I'm gonna be honest.
Oh, okay.
I have a feeling they're gonna make me take her to a hospital. I'm gonna be 100% honest. So.
Just. Oh yeah. She works at Okay, so.
That's why we use Advent because it charges us 4 times more. You want to jump in and do one real quick?
I'll do it.
All right, so maybe, I know you just told him no, but are you going to do the breath test? Huh? No. All right. Well, then we're gonna have a seat back in the back seat of my car, okay? Nope, you're going to jail. All right, so I'm gonna help you up.
No, I'm not worried.
I'm not asking. Help you over here. It's gonna be this red Kia right here. Give us a minute and we'll go through
Don't
it.
touch me.
We're trying to make sure you don't fall.
No, don't touch me.
All right. You can. All right, go ahead and have a seat in there.
Don't touch
Well,
me.
then have a seat in there.
Idiot.
Yeah, I appreciate it. All right, watch your knee. All right. I don't want to hit your knee.
Why the fuck is taking so long?
What would you like us to hurry up for? What?
No. Why is it taking so long?
We're about to leave and go to jail right now.
I'm not my jail.
You are going to jail.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Her own family was standing 10 feet away. They filled in the rest. A prior stroke. Alcohol intolerance. A history she hadn't mentioned to the officer. Her sister said she nearly died 2 years before. That alcohol had been off limits since. None of that changed the law. It explained the impairment. It didn't excuse the driving. Under Graham versus Connor. Patrusutenouzech. Wizzo. 386. Officer conduct is evaluated on facts known at the moment, not in hindsight. Every decision the officer made is on camera. Every opportunity he gave her is on camera. She declined each one. She told him she wasn't going to jail. From the back seat of his patrol car, Tammy was charged with DUI. She bonded out the following morning. On June 24th, Lianshinling Arshasa. She pled guilty. 12 months probation. 1 year license revocation. 50 hours community service. The license was already gone under implied consent. The plea made it official. Lieutenant Bloom gets an A+. Off duty. Personal vehicle. He saw a hazard and stopped it. Under Graham versus Connor, every call he made holds under the facts known in the moment. Textbook. The officer gets an A. Patient. Methodical. He gave her the field sobriety option. The eye test. The breath test. And her family. She refused every one. He documented every refusal. The case built itself. Tammy gets a D. She denied drinking. She admitted drinking. She refused every test. She argued through the arrest. Florida. Section 316. 193 does not require a breathalyzer. Impaired normal faculties is sufficient. The officer had that the moment she stepped out of the car. The lesson is simple. You have the right to remain silent from the moment of the stop. Invoking it costs nothing. Talking costs everything. Every statement she made was on camera. Every refusal created a record. She built the prosecution herself. If this is the kind of footage you follow, the moments that don't go the way drivers expect, subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. Was the sentence fair? 12 months probation. A year off the road. 50 hours community service. We'll see you in the next one.